Election Commission announced that the assembly elections in Maharashtra will be held on November 20 in a single phase. The counting of votes will be done on November 23. Maharashtra has a 288-member assembly, 29 are reserved for scheduled caste and 25 for scheduled tribe. In the last polls in 2019, BJP secured 26.1% of the vote, Congress secured 16.1% of the votes, NCP secured 16.9% of the votes, and Shiv Sena secured 16.6% of the votes. The BJP and Shiv Sena formed the National Democratic Alliance, which won the majority. However, the coalition soon got crumbled. After that, no party could establish the government. Maharashtra was placed under the presidential rule. Devendra Fadnavis was briefly shown in the chief minister and Ajit Pawar was selected as the deputy chief minister. However, both resigned just days later before a scheduled floor test. By November 28, 2019, a new coalition emerged with the Shiv Sena headed by Uddhav Thackeray, NCP headed by Sharad Pawar, and Congress forming the Maha Vikas Aghadi government led by Uddhav Thackeray as chief minister. The Maharashtra politics, however, took another turn in June 2022 when Uddhav Thackeray resigned the following rebellion with Shiv Sena led by Eknath Shinde, who then allied with the BJP. Eknath Shinde assumed the role of chief minister with Devendra Fadnavis returning as the deputy chief minister. In the 2014 polls, BJP won the 122 seats and Shiv Sena got 63 seats. Congress and Nationalist Congress Party could only manage 42 and 41 seats respectively.